What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going, guys? It's been a while, but I tried my best to do a video again. And if you're new to the channel, welcome welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, we short, we sell. It doesn't matter where the market is going. But right now, look at the Bitcoin price. We have a pump from this descending wedge. We have the ABCDE, and it pumped. And I was thinking this pattern, this is running triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So in every leg there's 3 waves. So ABC, 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 ABC. So I'm thinking somewhere at $25,000, and we go for another 3 waves down, and we're looking for this support somewhere at 14 to 12,000. So we still have one more chance, guys, for the bull run. So if we're going to see but bearish scenario though, we have a bearish flag here, so we might go somewhere here at 14K. So yeah, just to be sure, this just to let you know, this is our last chance for bulls. Last support for the bulls. And guys, you can also join my group, guys. It's free. Just message me. And these are actually my and I do have also a messenger group. I posted all the things here. So last time, let's say this one, Luna from here, and now it's right here now actually. Congratulations to those who joined. Congratulations to those who jumped in. That's 7x, 6x, and yeah, join my group, guys. Somebody told me, Sir Mark, are you Nostradamus? This is the best channel, crypto. This is the best crypto channel for sure. I love it. Thank you, Diego. Thank you, Gail. And here also, so these are my gains, 1,000% from Luna Classic trade, and yeah, this is what I'm talking about, guys. So I was talking about this one. This could be possible ABC here to form to finish this running triangle here for Bitcoin. And yeah, so right now I do have a Luna trade here. It's actually came from yeah, actually I posted it here. So Luna Classic, congratulations those who jump in from here, guys. 732% gain. So from here, then bam. So actually I post another alert here. It's from here. Look at this, guys. From here, I said it's going to go up here 0.005 and go down here 0.004. That's my gain. And where is it now? Luna from here 0.005. Here, boom, down here 0.004, and I hope it will go up to 0.008. And yeah, if you want to join the group, guys, just message me and I'll give you the link. Somebody asked me here actually about top. Okay, yeah, where's the top of Luna C? So I found my old chart. So somewhere here, I already put a sell signal actually here, somewhere here at $100. I put a sell signal since December 2022, since 100. Actually, the highest actually is somewhere at the highest actually is somewhere at 120. So there you go, guys. Yeah, and actually this is my last post about Bitcoin. Then it pump from this bullish flag, pump, boom. There you go, guys. So yeah, if you wanna join the group, guys, just let me know, and I'll give you the link. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.